Hey everyone, on this episode of A Very Merry Make It With Calvin Christmas, we're going to be talking about 3D Gloop and why I feel it's a good gift idea for anybody who does 3D printing, cosplay, or anything that requires 3D printing parts to be glued together that are made from PLA or ABS. So the reason why I think 3D Gloop is a very good product for people who need to assemble a lot of 3D prints is quite simply because the product works. Now sure, there's nothing wrong with super glue, there's nothing wrong with two-part epoxy, there's nothing wrong with trying to use liquid modeling cement, things that I've always done in the past for building models. But the reality is they're kind of slow, they're kind of frustrating, and really the joints are not as strong as they could be. You know, I really figured out how good of a product 3D Gloop was when I was using it on the Gazer Beam Raya helmet, and then it really showed itself again when I was doing the earring holder project with Danielle. I literally applied a little bit, probably a little too much by accident, but oh well, to the lower tray for the earring holder to hold it on. Held it on there for about 2 minutes just to be safe, because it had all the earring backs in it already and we didn't want that falling. And it held, and to this day it's still holding. And even Danielle was amazed at how fast the product worked for holding things together. Now it comes in two styles. There's one for ABS and there's one for PLA, being that I work in PLA only at the moment. The PLA only one is the one that I have, but find out what material your intended gift buyer uses and pick up that one for them. I would recommend though purchasing it in the squeeze tube, as that's a little bit easier to apply than a brush-on version, but you know, do what you feel is best. Hope you guys enjoyed and have yourself a very merry Maker Christmas.